How to fix Mistfall Hunter crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window, and then under launch options you want to type -D3D11, or if this does not work properly for you, you can try -DX11 like this, and then you want to go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files button, and then wait for this process to finish checking the files. Once this is done, you can close this and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. And then go to the drivers section and then select game ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest version. Now if you have it already, you can try to reinstall it by clicking this button here. And once this is done, you can open up your browser and then search for redist. Then click on the first link and scroll down to this table and make sure to download and install both of these versions, the 86 and the 64, if you don't have them already installed. And once you finish installing them, it's pretty easy. Then you will need to restart your computer and then just open up Steam again and simply just launch the game. That should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.